Master the Maze of Conditionals, an in-depth comparison. Hello, English learners around the globe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of conditionals. If you've been following our previous sessions, you probably already have a basic understanding of conditionals. Today, we'll explore, compare, and contrast these conditionals to give you a clearer picture of when and how to use each one. Our key focus will be to provide you with a better understanding of different types of conditionals and how they relate to each other. Before we compare, let's do a quick recap of the different types of conditionals in English. We've got zero, first, second, third, and mixed conditionals. Each of these conditionals expresses a specific kind of situation, ranging from general truths to hypothetical situations and regrets about the past. To kick off our comparison, we'll start with zero and first conditionals. Zero conditionals are used to describe general truths or habits, while first conditionals are used for probable or possible situations in the future. For example, zero conditional: if it rains, the ground gets wet. First conditional: if it rains tomorrow, we'll stay at home. Notice that the zero conditional uses present simple in both clauses, whereas the first conditional uses present simple in the if clause and will plus base verb in the result clause. Next, let's compare the first and second conditionals. As mentioned before, the first conditional is used for probable or possible future situations. However, the second conditional is used to express hypothetical situations or things that are unlikely to happen. For example, first conditional: if I study hard, I'll pass the exam. Second conditional: if I won the lottery, I'd buy a mansion. In the second conditional, we use the past simple tense after if and would, plus base verb in the result clause. Moving on, let's compare second and third conditionals. While second conditional talks about hypothetical present or future, third conditional is used to express regret about the past or hypothetical situations in the past. For example, second conditional: if I were you, I'd apologize. Third conditional: if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. In the third conditional, we use had plus past participle after if and would have plus past participle in the result clause. Finally, let's talk about mixed conditionals, which combine the second and third conditionals. They're used when the condition refers to the past, but the consequence refers to the present. For example, if I had worked harder, past, I would be in a better job now, present. And there we have it, an in-depth comparison of the different types of conditionals. We hope this session has given you more clarity and confidence in using conditionals in your everyday English. Remember, mastering conditionals takes time and lots of practice. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll see progress in no time. Until our next video, keep those conditionals flowing.